Buying iCloud storage with Apple gift card. In today's video, we are going to learn how to buy iCloud storage with Apple gift card. So first of all, you need to redeem your Apple gift card. In order to do that, you have to go to your iOS device account. So in order to do that, you have to tap your App Store application, and in your App Store you have to tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, you will see an option redeem gift card or code. Click on that option and then it will give you two options. One is use camera, or you can add the code manually. If you want to use camera, you will easily be able to enter the code automatically, and if you want to enter the code manually, you just have to type it. Afterwards, you just have to go to your settings in the mobile application, and in your setting you just have to tap on the profile, which should be your account. So you have to tap on this iCloud. Now you will be able to see this is your settings, and in the settings you will click on the iCloud option, and in the iCloud you will be easily able to buy storage with Apple gift card. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.